In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Favicon on your WordPress website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Then you want to go to your website, hit View Website by hitting the View Website button. So this is my example website I made. Then go to Customizer, and then you get all these different kind of options over. So then you want to go to Header, Site Identity, and then to Favicon. So the Favicon, I already enabled my Favicon. It's a S letter, and if you want to change it or add one, hit Add Favicon. Then you can upload the new Favicon you want. It has to be 512 by 512. That's the optimal Favicon pixels size. Then so you can upload one if you want to. I already have one. It's the S over here. Select it. You don't have to crop it because it's already in place. Then hit crop, and then hit publish, and now you successfully added a Favicon to your WordPress website. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.